Blue trunks, white trim. He weighs 177 pounds. He is making his professional debut from Shelby, North Carolina, Brajana Saterlenda.
And his opponent making his pro debut, Brajana Saterlenda from Shelby, North Carolina, in the blue trunks.
And Brajana Saterlenda knows nothing about boxing. He comes to this, he got into boxing because he was a street fighter, and he figured might as well get paid for boxing, or for fighting. And you can see the way he's throwing his punches, no form at all. On the inside, Brajana Saterlenda. Actually, it's Keni Reinford on the inside. The straight punches. Watch how Brajana Saterlenda just tries to throw anything that he can, flailing at his opponent.
Reinford won 24 of his 25 amateur bouts in Great Britain. Turned pro with a third-round knockout over Aaron Nance last November and gets the right hand, and that stuns. Brajana Saterlenda is down, and that's it. Referee Chester Como retrieves the mouthpiece, stops the fight.
Let the doctor look at it.
Well, this man had no business. Brajana Saterlenda had no business in the boxing ring. It was the straight punches from Keni Reinford.
I don't think he realizes he's in the